With all the things that's going on, I lost track, I felt so strong.
Hey my natural beauties, welcome back to another video. Today's video is all about this cut crease eye makeup look with this glitter. So fun and super easy. But before we get started, don't forget to thumbs up this video if you like it, and also hit that subscribe button below, boo. That way you don't miss any more of my videos. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so first things first, I'm gonna work on my eyes. As you guys can see, I'm already wearing foundation and I'm baking, and one eye is already done. So to prime my lids, I use this LA Girl Pro Conceal in Natural, and I'm just gonna blend that all over my lid. And I'm actually gonna set that into place with this translucent powder from CoverGirl, and it's the same one that I'm using to bake. And then I'm gonna go in and warm up the crease with this reddish brown color that I always use for all my eye looks. It's no different with a cut crease, but you don't have to do this. My actual transition is this nude shade from my City Color Intense Blush Quad, and I'm gonna pop that into my crease right below that reddish brown color that I used before with this smaller blending brush. Now I'm going to begin carving out my cut crease. I do already have a detailed video on my channel on how to do a cut crease step by step, and it's super easy to follow. So I'm just going to leave that linked in the description bar just to save us some time. But I'm just using this gel liner on my shader brush just to carve out my cut crease. And the key to a cut crease is really just taking your time and being patient, and it requires a lot of blending. So as you guys can see, I'm just dragging that out toward the end with a pencil brush from BH Cosmetics, and I'm gonna set that cut crease into place with a black eyeshadow. That way, even after we apply our glitter, we can still see that cut crease peep through. Alright, and of course going back in and just blending that out so that everything is nice and seamless. Now taking this concealer from Milani, this is their Secret Cover Concealer in Honey Miel #3. I'm applying this all over my mobile lid below my cut crease. I'm not going to be using shadows. So to make my glitter stick, I'm just going to apply this duo lash adhesive, and this is going to make our glitter stick all day, and it's going to prevent our glitter from creasing. So yeah, it's also going to prevent fallout. And I'm packing on my glitter right on top of that duo before it dries. You want to move really quickly with this. Once it gets tacky, just pack it on as close to your crease as possible without touching that cut crease line. Now I'm just applying some gel liner to my lower lash line to smoke up the eye look some more, and then I'm going to move on to setting my brow bone, and I'm going to use this Milani pressed powder. It's a multitasker face powder. I'm using that to set my brow bone. And I'm smoking out the cut crease a little bit because it wasn't as dramatic as I wanted it to be. So I'm just applying a little bit more of that black shadow just on the outside of the cut crease to kind of give it a smoky look. Now I'm just dusting away excess powder from my face because we're done baking and we have no fallout. But I'm going to set my face with my iMAN pressed powder in Earth Medium. Just using a flat top brush to give us a nice flawless finish. And as I'm doing that, you guys can see my face gets washed out, so I'm just going to add some definition back to my face by doing a cream contour with my contouring stick from Black Up Cosmetics. This one is in #3, and I'm just blending that out with a stippling brush. At the same time, I'm actually setting that with Earth Glow pressed powder, which I'm going to use to also contour my nose and get that nose nice and snatched. I wanted a dramatic look, so I did go in and I baked twice. This time I'm using that same pressed powder that I used for my brow bone, and then I'm going to go in and add some color to these cheeks by applying a blusher. You guys can just reach for any blush that you want. A really nice rosy pink would look cute with this look. So I'm moving on to my lashes, and I'm applying my #66, my favorite right now, and I'm blending those in with my mascara just to, you know, get everything to look really nice and unified and amped up. And then I'm going to go on to my lips, and for my lips I'm just applying a brown pencil because we're going for a nude kind of lip today. I'm just using a brown pencil to outline my lips before I apply my lipstick, because my lipstick of choice today is this nude pink, and this is Milani's lipstick in Matte Naked. I'll have the color listed in the description bar. It's just a very nice nude pink. It has a matte finish, but I want a glossy finish, so I'm going right on top with Luminous by Milani, which is like the best lip gloss ever. Now to glow up with the rest of the face, we're going to move on to highlight, and I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit just to glow up a little bit, but I was feeling kind of extra, guys, you don't know. So I used this eyeshadow from Milani to kind of go over those areas to amplify that glow a little bit. That completes the look. It's so quick and easy, very simple and very cute. I actually do have a tutorial on this hairstyle, and it's actually my most viewed video, guys, so I will leave it linked in the description bar to show you guys how I get these double braids. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Mwah. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye.